Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my tarot and crystal guidance video for March the 19th, 25th. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. I'm also super exhausted because I just came from the Meta Expo in downtown Toronto at the Hyatt Hotel on King and Peter. It was really amazing. Happy Soul got to present, and I was doing quick readings all day. I did like so many of them, and I'm totally exhausted, and Snaps has just been jumping up and down, and this is the fourth time I've tried to shoot this video. I'm tired, and I really need you to stay still, and I can snuggle you when we get this video done and uploaded. So let's all be good boys. I need to do this video, and you need to be so cute. I'm like, okay, so let's pull the first card for Monday the 19th, which is the Queen of Swords. What message do you have to communicate? It means that it's time for you to get the message out. It could be through social media, blogging, writing, storytelling, but you have a story to tell, and it's time for you to tell that story. What is the story that you're going to tell on Monday about? Think about it. So the crystal card for Monday is Snowflake Obsidian. And when you tell your story, comfort comes. It's about connecting to the root chakra, which is the base of your spine. Snowflake Obsidian gives the grounding feeling of everything is all right when anxious or grieving. Are you living in the present? And sometimes the power of writing and telling your story is about releasing the past or getting rid of the anxious feelings you have about the future and being present, because letting go of it. So it's very, 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 very prevalent. The next card is Tuesday the 20th, and one of my favorite tarot cards, the Eight of Wands, and it's about manifestation, things moving very quickly in your career and life purpose, and everything kind of falling into place. So go with the flow, take advantage of the magic of Tuesday, and really kind of like maybe an opportunity or a series of opportunities are going to present themselves on Tuesday. So I say take advantage of them. Okay, so the crystal card for Tuesday is my favorite, Pyrite. So this kind of tells me that maybe the opportunity is going to be financial because it's about entrepreneurialism. It connects to your solar plexus. Teaches you how to make money and build a business with assertive action. Do you believe if you think big and take action, you can change the world? Hell yeah, for sure. So maybe an entrepreneurial venture or something really good too good to be true is going to come into your scope on Tuesday. So I want you to take advantage of it. So on Wednesday, we've got Grand Illusions, Seven of Cups. What kind of things have you turned into pipe dreams and have not based your future and futuristic thinking in realism, and you're kind of like, telling all these stories about all these big things you're going to do, but you're not doing any action to make them happen? Be realistic, be honest with yourself, and stop living in a fantasy world. And the crystal card for Wednesday is Blue Calcite, Peace of Mind. So connects to the throat chakra, creates calm, allowing freedom to express oneself and to rest. Do you allow yourself space to hear your inner voice? So don't listen to all the things that the universe is, not the universe, but television and the media are telling you to kind of say that you want, and then you're like, oh, I want to be a rock star, oh, I want to be a billionaire. But listen to the peace of mind thing. What makes you happy in expressing yourself? What gives you peace of mind? And what can you realistically obtain in a very organic way? So Thursday the 22nd is it's time to go on a trip. I don't know about you, but I need to totally go on a trip. So the Eight of Cups is all about taking time and stepping away from a situation, going on a trip, going on an adventure, and seeing the world in a wonderful way. If you're going to go down, and taking the time to be thankful and show gratitude for the things that you have, and then coming back and getting back to the grind of things, but getting back with a new strength and fervor. So here we go. One of my favorite crystals is rhodonite, and it connects to the heart chakra. It's about love. It grounds your heart chakra energy and brings love energy to the physical plane. Has your love been too idealized? It's really kind of interesting because the last card the day before was all about how unrealistic emotional goals, and this is unrealistic love. Are you setting the bars of the kind of relationship and the love that you're expecting unrealistically in the future? Okay, you need to go down, and we will go have snuggles in a little bit. So, tarot card for Friday is the King of Cups, and it's like, what kind of emotional issues are you burying underneath the surface, and what kind of things are you keeping to yourself? Because maybe it's time to let go and not hold things all the way in. And the crystal card for Friday is Amazonite. You need motivation. Motivate you into action and to speak in your own way without fear of judgment. Where do you need more motivation? So maybe you need more motivation on dealing with realizing that you're an emotional being and you have feelings and you have to feel all that range of emotion. So I'm just so everybody knows, I'm giving him pets down here because he wants back scratches and he's all over the place, and I need to finish this video for you guys. Snap, snap, snaps. I love you, I love you, I love you. So Saturday the 24th, we've got a fantastic, the sun. I don't know about you, but I'm really excited to have next Saturday off. I can't wait to relax, and I'm going to be going to a workshop done by the amazing author Kristen Mitchell. It's going to be at Happy Soul. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. It's only $90, and Kristen Mitchell is the author of Change Your Energy, which is one of my favorite crystal books. And the crystal card for the 24th is Light, which is about speaking your truth. If you're going to be up here, you have to sit down. We talked about this. Soul Light, speak your truth, encourages speaking your truth, confidently uncovering your happiness. What is my path to happiness? So it's very tied in. It's like getting happiness, but what is your path to happiness and how are you going to get there? Things sometimes involve you walking the path. So walk the path to happiness. And the final card for the 25th tarot card is the High Priestess. You have hidden talents and secrets and things that you have to let out into the open. Those talents you need to really use are metaphysical and spiritual, and if you have healing abilities, you need to share your healing abilities, your guidance abilities, your energetic abilities, your psychic abilities with others. And if you have intuition, and if you're knowing things before they happen and you're not using them, then shame on you. You need to use your abilities. You also need to journal them, keep track of them, so that if something happens, you can be like, yeah, I wrote this down and I knew it was going to happen. So you have to create that kind of proof. So the crystal card for the 25th is Celestite, Angel Communication. So maybe your talent is communicating with angels. Connects you to the universal angelic energy. Which of your problems can you hand over to the angels? So this has been a very enlightening kind of tarot reading. Snaps, I love you very, very much. Thank you for joining us with your super cuteness. Thank you everybody for tuning into my videos. I'm super exhausted. I'm going to upload this video and then I'm going to have a nice long hot shower and I'm going to relax. Looking forward to spring and Easter and the warmer weather. I think that you guys are all amazing. I hope to see you very soon at Happy Soul. Have an amazing night. Bye!